welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a frame with gold rocks. This is my example that I already made, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make it of your own. First, you're going to need four super jumbo popsicle sticks. Here you go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 big super jumbo popsicle sticks. Second, you're gonna need any type of paintbrush. You're gonna definitely need a paintbrush. You're also gonna need rocks. A small rock you can pick up from your backyard or buy them at the store. You'll also need Elmer's or any type of liquid glue. And you will, if you don't have a palette like this, then you can use any cup or any bowl or any whatever. This is not water painting, so you don't have to have water. So this is metallic pure gold paint. So I'm gonna first okay. So the first step is to keep these all away again. So we have space to do our little creation. So we're not painting right now. I dropped some rocks, that's totally fine because we're gonna be doing the project. So it's okay, Okay, so you take all your rocks and keep them aside. We're gonna make a frame, so you take one and make it like a frame. So you keep it like one and this, and put it like this, and then the last one will go on the bottom. So let's start gluing them. So the tip is not to glue a lot, and don't worry if it wobbles after. If it wobbles, that is totally fine, because that is the process, because it needs to dry. So you have to be gluing it, and just put the jumbo stick down and glue it on. Okay, so my first one is done. Now I'm doing my second one. So I'm putting my glue on, and then I'll put my other side of glue, and then take the jumbo stick, and let's move the rocks, and put Okay, so this is a frame we're making, and the frame is representing the frame is gonna hold gold pieces of rock from the gold rush in 1849. In school I've been learning about it, so I just want to talk to you about it a little bit. So in 1849 there was a gold rush in California, which attracted the whole world to come to California. That's why California is super popular now. So what I'm representing is taking little rocks and putting them on the frame, and after I put them on the frame, I'll paint them with the gold metallic paint. And after I do that, I'll let it dry, and then the next day it should be all dry. Yeah, so it's according to the gold rush. And then you can put any picture inside the frame. You can glue a picture in there. I don't really care, but yeah, you can do that. Okay, now let's start gluing the rocks. So don't worry if they don't dry right away. Just start gluing them. Okay, I'll come back after I'm done gluing them. Okay guys, I'm back. So all my rocks are, Okay, give me a sec. I have to glue this back on. I thought all of them were dry, but let me just glue this back on. Okay, so I'm gluing back the rock. Okay, so since most of these are dry, I'm going to start painting. So get your metallic or any color gold and put it on your bowl, plate, or palette. You don't need that much. If you need more, you can take more. So I'm going to take a little bit of it. And I'm going to start painting. So you can just slowly paint this. It looks super mesmerizing when you're doing it. So when I'm done, I'll be back with you guys. Bye. Okay guys, I am back and I have painted all of my rocks. Some of them were wobbly, so I couldn't paint all of it. So yeah, this is how you do it. See? This one, when you keep it dry for one day, it should look exactly like the one I already did, like this one. And these actually look like real gold pieces. So that is really nice for you, a really nice project. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll be back in the next video. Bye-bye.